Good morning, children. Welcome to mathematics class. Children, in the last class, that is on last Monday, we have started discussing additional practice of block 4 and where we discussed 3 questions. First 3 questions we are already discussed, and this is the 4th question, divide. Divide and 4 divisions are there. One is to divide by 12, second number 5452 divide by 47, third 32, fourth divide by 61. So to divide, children, I have written table here. See, to divide by 12, 12 is a table. To divide by 47, 47 is a table. To divide by 32, 32 is a table. To divide by 61, 61 is a table. It makes me easy because numbers are big, 47, 32, 61. All the tables are not there in our mind, and we will not by heart also all these tables. So if numbers are big and ask us to divide, better prepare table first, then start doing division, right? Okay. 12 I will take leftmost digit, that is 7. 7 is less than 12. I cannot divide with only one digit, so I should take 78. See here, children, where 78 you will get less than 84. 72. How much are 12? 6 are 72. So subtract 8 minus 2, 6. Take next digit 2. Now I got 62. Where you will get 62 here? 60. 72 is greater, I cannot divide, so I should take 60. So 12, 5 are 60. Subtract, take next digit 4, 24. Where you will get here? 12 2s are 12 2s are 24. So divide is the question. Divided till gets remainder as 0. So your quotient is 652. Okay, let us see the second question. 47. I should take both number 54. See, children, here if I take 47 2s, it is 94. It is greater than 54. I cannot take 94 here. So 47 1s are 47. Subtract 7, 14 minus 7, 7. So 1 is taken, it is 4 minus 4, 0. Take next digit 5, 75. See, children, here also, if I take 14 2s, 94, it will be more here, I cannot subtract. So 94 I cannot take. So less than 94 is again 47 1s are 47. So 15 minus 7 is 8. So it is 6 now. 6 minus 4 is 2. Okay. Take last digit, that is 2. 282. We should find out where is this 282 in the 47's table. Here it is. How much are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are 47 6 are 282. So what remainder as 0 and all the digits are completed. That's why the quotient is 116. Okay. C, divide by 32. Take first 2 digits, 24. Use 32 as a table. So if I take these 2 digits, then also I cannot divide, because 32 ones are 32, it is more. 32 is more than 24, I cannot subtract. So 1 digit, not possible. 2 digits, not possible. You should take 3 digits here, children. 241. Find out here 241. 256 is greater than 241. So 224. How much are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7s are 32 7s are 224. Okay, subtract 11 minus 4, 7. Now it is 3 minus 2, 1, 0. Take last digit only. Sorry, take this 9. 9 is left, no? 9. Before this 2, 9 is there. Take 9. 179. 179. 192 is big. Before that 160. How much? 32. 5 160. Subtract 7 minus 6 1 0. Take now last digit 192. It is here. That is 32. 6 192. So quotient is 756. You see the last one, I should divide it by 61. So 61 the table you should prepare, it is ready here. So first I should take 4, not possible. Take 2 digits 49. Again it is smaller than 61, not possible. We should take full 492. 3 digits. Look at here, 492, 500, 488. I can write. So it is 8 61 8 488. So 12 minus 8 is 4. Now it is 8 0 0. Take next digit, that is 8. Children, now it is only 48. I cannot divide with 61. If I take 61 1 61, I cannot subtract. This is big number. Not possible. So now I have to take 61 zeros are 61. Sorry, 61 zeros are 0. 61 zeros are 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. 61 zeros are 0. Subtract 8 minus 0, 8, 4 minus 0, 4. Take next number. Now it is 488. It is even 61 ones are also not possible here. That's why 61 zeros is 0. 8 minus 0, 8, 4 minus 4. Next it is 8. Now it is 488. 488 is here. That is 61 8s are 488. Be careful children here when you will get only 48. You cannot take directly 8 here. No. 61 zeros is 0. Then you can take one more 8. Okay? Right. Okay children, this is your 5th question. The difference between 4th just now whatever we done and the 5th is, in 4th only divide. Question was only divide, and now divide and verify. That's why you are seeing this extra formula here children. To verify divisor into quotient plus remainder. After doing that, if we get the dividend, then we are correct. We are verifying, means we are checking our answer whether we are correct or not. Okay. 6174 divided by 11. 11 5s are 55. 7. 11 6 are 66. 7 minus 6 1 0. Take next. 11 1s are 11. Subtract. 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay children, divisor is 11. Quotient just now we got 561. The remainder is 3. After doing all these things I should get this as answer. Let us check. 11 1s are 11, carry 1. I am multiplying these two. 11 6 is 66 plus 1 67, carry 6. 11 5 is 55 plus 6 61 plus 3. When I add 3 in this, I will get 6174, and this side also you can see. So when both sides are same, then whatever we done is correct. Okay, let us do this. Divide by 19, 18. So less than 80 is 76. 19 4s are 76. 19 4s are 76. So you will get 4. 44. So 44 means 2s are 38. Here 38. So 6, 60. So 60 is 57. 19 threes are. So what you got? Divisor as 19. Quotient just now I got 423. I should add remainder 3 to get 8040. If you want, you can use rough work, children, here. That is 423 into 19. 93 is 57. Carry 5. 19 2 is 38 plus 5. 43. Carry 4. 19 4 is 76. 76 plus 4 is 80. So answer is 8000 plus 3. Add 3. You will get 8040, children. You will get 8040 as dividend. Therefore, we are correct. Okay, this one 4,43,084. So take 430. Where you will get 430? Less than 430 is this. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How much? 426. So you got, after subtraction 4, take 8. 48. Again I am not able to divide. What you should do, children? 71 zeros are 71. Sorry, 71 zeros are 0. 71 zeros are 0. So 8 and 4. Now take next number. Now it is 484. 484 less than this. I can take again 6. That is 426. Subtract. So 14 minus 6 is 8. 7 minus 2 is 5. Okay, this is the remainder I got. Now divisor is how much? 71 into quotient is 606 plus remainder I got as 58. After doing all these things, I should get 4308. So to get this, let us multiply these two. 606 into 71. 71 6 426. So 426 means 6. 426 means 26. Okay, 42. Carry 71 0 the 0 0 plus 42 is 42. Carry 4. So now 71 6 again. 426. 426 plus 4 is 430. 1 minute, children. I will divide. Children, multiplication of 606 and 71. First I have done with 1 1 into 606 is 606 plus with 7 the 7 6 are 42. 0 means 4. Again 7 6 are 42. Add 6 2. 6 plus 4 10. Carry 1. 2 plus 1 3 4. 43,026. 43,026 plus 58. You will get 43,084. This is the division. Okay. Let us do the last one. 60,338. 337. 88. So I should take 603. Full 603. 3 digits. 603. Where it will be? Here. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6. That is 528. 528. So 13 minus 8 is 5, 7. Now take this 3. 753. 8 704. Take last 497. 497 will be this one, that is 88. You do yourself this. Quotient is 685, divisor is 88, remainder is 57. Like this, you verify answer yourself. Okay? Thank you.